What should the returning officer do if a candidate fails to disclose government accommodation in Form 26 and a complaint is received?
If complaint is received during nomination period, the returning officer should verify the claim using available records. If the claim is found to be correct, the candidate should be informed. The returning officer should then seek the no due certificate or relevant details through a formal notice. This should be treated as deficiency in the affidavit. The candidate may also be given an opportunity to submit a fresh affidavit, complete in all respects, before the commencement of scrutiny. If an object is raised at the time of scrutiny, the government officer should verify the claim and provide the candidate an opportunity to respond. If the claim is found to be correct, it should be treated as a deficiency in the affidavit. Since disclosure of dues, including the no due certificate, is mandatory, so it will be considered as a substantial defect. Hence, the nomination is liable to be rejected.